Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how you can transfer crypto from Binance to Uniswap. So make sure to watch the video till the very end. And let's begin. First of all, open any type of preferred browser on your PC and search for Binance.com. After that, sign into your account and you will be redirected to this page. Here, click on the wallet icon at top right corner of your screen and select Spot from the drop-down menu. Now, your wallet will open up and all of your available assets will be displayed here. After that, click on the Withdraw button and select the preferred crypto. Then enter the address of the target wallet along with the appropriate network and enter the amount. Once you have done that, click on the Withdraw button and you're done. So that's basically how you can transfer crypto from Binance to Uniswap. So that's all for this video. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.